Hello, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Hello, happy Monday. So I'm heading out. I'm gonna go do some errands, run some groceries, and yeah, I thought I'd take you along with me. I need to clean my mirror. Got my sunglasses, my headband, my H&M pullover, some Victoria's Secret leggings, a velvet cami on, and slippers. I just need to pack my bag and we can head out together. My favorite cereals. So we got El Pollo Loco for dinner. We went to the drive-thru with the Uber after Food for Less because she wanted El Pollo Loco. So finally got it. We have Spanish rice, we have some chips, guacamole, salsa over there. And then we have the tortillas,
there's a nice lettuce.
Coleslaw, lettuce, yeah, that's coleslaw. Got some mashed potatoes, more guacamole. So yeah, and then we have some chicken underneath here. So yay! Happy Thursday. I'm heading off to West Los Angeles with my dad and we're gonna head out the door. Here's a quick look at my outfit. Not gonna tell you all the details, it will be linked down below, but I need to head out, so let's go. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. So the time change really got to me. I woke up at 3 today when originally it's supposed to be 2 o'clock. So that was my normal time usually. Yes, I wake up that late. So I'm having lunch now. I was in bed for a little while on my phone and I've been a terrible vlogger this week. I haven't even picked up the camera, so I should finish off the vlog. I think when I imported the footage I only had 2 minutes worth, so I had Monday and Thursday, so I thought I would complete it here on Sunday. And yeah, I normally vlog my whole day on Sunday. I don't know, it's become a thing, so I thought I would share my day with you. For lunch I'm having some pizza rolls. I'm gonna give some to my mom, she's gonna have some, and then some Fritos as well, and then I have my glass of water. I went to go buy water, what was it, yesterday or the day before, and there was none left. Like, I've never seen that happen, so everyone's like panic buying. We need to buy some toilet paper too, so that's going to be fun to search for. So we need water and toilet paper, and that's what everyone is buying. I usually buy water maybe every 3 days because I go through a gallon of water a day, and then my mom has been starting to drink a lot more water too. She couldn't before because of her sickness, but now she can drink water normally again and she's been drinking a lot. So we go through like 4 gallons in like 3 days, sometimes 4 days, I don't know, but we need to go buy water, which is going to be fun because I hope there's water. They said they're gonna restock, so cross your fingers for me that there's gonna be water. So yeah, that's a little update about me, and then I'll see you after I eat, I guess. So we're gonna use this for the first time. We got it, I think, in last week's weekly vlog. So we're gonna cook some fried chicken and some cut up potatoes. It's called the fried yare. So my dad's gonna cook because it has his name on it. So we're gonna experiment and try it out for the first time. Ooh, cool. So we'll see how it goes. Put the oil, we're gonna let it preheat. I'm not gonna touch it, I'm so afraid of it. Here are the cut up potatoes we're gonna put in it as well. So that's what else we're having. They're starting to float and look good, so I guess it's almost ready. I don't know, but they look good so far. So we walked away for a few minutes and we think they're cooked now, so we're gonna get them out. So here is what the fries look like in the light, better lighting. They look okay. I'm going to try one. I just put some garlic salt on it. It's hot. I like them. They don't taste too oily. This is gonna be a fun dinner. So I made myself a salad, so to counteract the potatoes. So just gonna have this with my dinner. Put some ranch on it, just a teeny bit. Yay! So this is what my salad looks like. Yay for that. So, and then we've been snacking on some of the potatoes, so yay. This is how the chicken turned out, so looks pretty crispy. Have a little bit more potatoes right here, and then I put my chicken in my salad, and that's what I'm having for dinner. Everyone else is having chicken as well, so yay. So I am done with dinner now, washed the dishes, did all that fun stuff, and I came into my room because I wanted to do a little bit of organizing with my hair accessories, because I found a few out there and I brought them here into the bedroom. But I have hair accessories everywhere, headbands, bows, whatever. In the Philippines, when I lived there, it was really bad. I had them everywhere, the garage, in the car, living room, dining room, bathroom. Any room had like a bow. When I went to my cousin's house, I would accidentally leave them everywhere, and then they would have to like give it back to me. And I just had a ton of bows, and even now I bought so many. So I have a place here in front of me on my dresser that has all my bows on it, but they're just all like disorganized. And I have a lot of headbands now because I've been buying headbands. So I thought we could organize it together and just put it in little baskets that I bought at Rite Aid for like $1 or $2. I'm not sure. I bought them a few months ago, and they're just sat on my dresser doing nothing. So I thought we can organize my headband slash bow collection slash hair accessory collection, because this vlog is very boring and has nothing in it. So I thought we would put some content in here. So let's go. So I have 2 headbands over here, some in here that I haven't organized yet, and here is my main like bow selection over here. I still have these from Christmas time, and then this is the basket that I was telling you about. So I think I bought 2. Yeah, I did. And then some more bows underneath. So I thought we could organize this and get it a little bit cleaner for the time being. I want to buy some headband organizers that I saw on Amazon, but they're currently sold out, so I have to wait for those. And I might want to get some acrylics to hold the bows, but for now this is just going to be a quick fix until I like get a vanity and organize it that way. So this is just temporary for me. Just pick these up and put it on my bed, so I have more down there. So let's get it organized a teeny bit. So while I'm organizing all these, I'm gonna watch more Scooby-Doo Mystery Incorporated. This is so good. I highly recommend it. I just love it. I'm going to like repeat it and watch it over and over again. It's just such a good storyline and so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on while I organize this mess. This is also my hard drive. Shouldn't be in there. And then this right here is my necklace. That shouldn't be in there. And some of these are bows and battery chargers. So I need to tackle this. So here are all my headbands on my arm. I really like this style of headband right here. These pearl ones, they're fun. So I have so many headbands now. I grew quite a collection. I used to have a big collection of headbands, and then they went out of style and I didn't wear them anymore, but I guess now they're back in. So I have so many. And yeah, these baskets right here, I bought them at Rite Aid for $1, and they're really good. I bought 2 of them, so I should like disconnect them. And then I have more bows over here that I'm gonna take off the backing and then organize the bows after I do the headband. So let's disconnect this. This is what it looks like so far. I have room to put more across here, so for now this is like the best storage I can do. Yes, I'm missing 2 nails. I'm going to glue them on again later. They detached earlier, but yeah, here are my headbands. I tried to organize it by style and color, but I couldn't really do that. So I have the pearl ones along here. I guess I can tell you where this was from. This is from Icing, TJ Maxx, Forever 21, Target, Forever 21, Forever 21, Walgreens, Icing, Icing, Icing. And yeah, those are pretty much my go-to places for headbands. I'll link the ones that I can down below if you want to check it out. I did a haul about them, so my hair accessory haul from the holidays, and then the one that I just did. So that is where I got my headbands if you're curious. So quite a collection I built up. So now I'm going to tackle this bunch and this bunch. This container storage actually goes to this thing. It goes on top of here and it like snaps on. But I'm using this thing as a nightstand, so it's not on there at the moment. So this is just like a random mess. I don't know how long this is going to take me, but I'll just do a quick time lapse and then tell you how I organized it when I'm done. I made a little bit of progress. These are all my long bows, so they have like long tails, as you can see. So I got 3 of those from Icing, and then the other one's Forever 21. I need to sort that out. Then we have my other bows here. We have my Free People one. This is one of the first bows I bought when I got here to the US, so it's special to me. The pink one is over, where's the pink one? Here is the other pink one. So we have that. These are new that I just got. No, this is my Zara one. And then this is also the Zara one. So we have that big one. So I have a few big ones. Maybe I'll not do it by maybe I'll categorize it by like the size instead of the color of it, because I have some like big bows here. These are like the oversized bows. And then these are semi big bows, and then we have some red bows over here, some little ones with pearls. We have the holiday ones right here. So this one's Christmas, 4th of July, 4th of July again. So we have some holiday bows. These are some like clip scrunchy things. This is my hair scarf that I was obsessed with last summer. And then yeah, so far these 2 are empty. Still no progress with the headbands. And I finished. I did it semi-organized. I think I did a pretty good job. I paused my Scooby-Doo. So all the headbands, and then I ended up squeezing the oversized bows on this one. This basket has all of my favorite bows that I reach for. These has some bows. The ones on top I reach for the most. The ones on the bottom I don't. And then same goes for this. The holiday bows, my hair scarf, and these are just scrunchies. Yeah, I took my picture. I think everything turned out pretty good. I just need to find a better organization system. For now, I think I like how I organized my bows. So at least you got to watch me do that, and I did something productive. So yay! So that was pretty fun. I got that taken care of, and now I think I'm just going to clean up. I have stuff to do tomorrow. I also need to do my blog post for tomorrow because I didn't do one on Friday, but I have been putting up my videos, so that was exciting. I'm in bed now. I have my pajamas on. I'm all snuggly and warm. I have my teddy bear with me, and I also have my iPad here. I started Virgin River on Netflix. What is that? Yesterday, I think, and I'm just finishing up the next few episodes. I think I have episode 9 and 10 left. It's a really good show so far, so I've been binge watching that, and that has been my Sunday. I hope you enjoyed it. That has been my weekly vlog. I think this is number 6 already, which is so cool that I've done 6 weekly vlogs. So I hope you have been enjoying them. I've been enjoying filming them and just showing you my everyday life and what I'm up to. So that is it for this week. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.